Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hello everyone, you're watching Pinkvilla and welcome to this week's episode of Beauty Talk with Aish. So in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to do a really simple, quick, neutral eye look. Now, I haven't used any specific eyeshadow palettes or eyeshadows or anything of that sort. I just used my go-to bronzer, blush, and highlight. And I finished the look with some eyeliner and mascara. That's it. So this look is pretty simple because it uses whatever you already might have in your kit. You don't need any specific eyeshadows or eyeshadow palettes to create this look. It is very beginner friendly and is very neutral. That means that you can pair this with a bold lip, with a nude lip, with a pink lip, whatever you might like. This is also a really great way to kind of amp up your look if you want to go day to night. So it's pretty versatile. And if you want to see how to do this look, then just keep watching. Alright, that's all I had for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Pinkvilla's channel, and let me know what you want to see next. Sound off down below, and I will be sure to get to it. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye!